Ito mga boss, share ko lang kung paano magpagalaw ng excavator, paano mag-operate. Share ko lang kung paano mag-operate ng excavator. Ayan. So, start po natin. Ito po yung lock. Sarado po natin. Ito po yung aircon. Mid and ganito po. Yan po. Ito po ay RPM. Ito po yung lock lever and joystick. Bomb up, bomb down, back, and push, pull, and then swing right, swing left, and then back it in, back it out, back it in, back it out, and then bomb up, bomb down.